Hello everyone. Now I'm going to present the Youth Development Creation of How to Be Creative Module 7 Classroom Activity on Perspective Taking. Moving to the learning objectives of this module. Firstly, to enhance the diversity. Secondly, for development and understanding of different perspectives and for the materials needed for this training. Firstly, perception picture. Secondly, overhead projector. The description, step 1, to explain to the students that you are going to show a picture on the overhead. You want them to look at it and think about what they see, but they cannot say it yet. Show the picture without giving a title. Step 2, to ask the students what they see in the picture. Step 3. You will ask one of the students who saw young woman in the picture to come up in front of the class to point it out, to show them the young woman to the other student who didn't see the young woman, to help them see the young woman, and ask one of the students who saw the old woman to do the same. For the debriefing, why did some people see a young woman while others saw an old woman? Is there a correct way to draw the picture? What's your feeling toward those who saw the picture the same way you did? What did you feel when you discovered the other aspect of the picture? Was there ever a time when you saw something one way and someone else saw it differently? How did you feel about the person who saw the situation differently? The Youth Development Creation How to Be Creative is funded by the European Union. Views and opinions expressed are, however, those of the authors only and do not necessarily reflect those of the European Union or the European Education and Culture Executive Agency. Neither the European Union or the EACEA can be held responsible for them. Thank you.